So in this problem, Chelsea has $45 to spend at the fair. She spends $20 on admission, $15 on snacks, and wants to play a game that costs 65 cents per game. Write an inequality to find the maximum number of times x that she can play the game. So I think that in this problem, right, we have to focus on the idea that she has $45 and it seems she can't get any more. So this is the amount of money that she has. And we're trying to use that to figure out how much she can spend. So in other words, the amount she can spend has to be less than or equal to what she has. Right? You can't spend more than what you have in this situation, I guess, because we're not dealing with credit or debt. We're just dealing with the money you have in let's say, your pocket. And that's all you can spend. So how much can she spend, right? Well, she already spent $20 on admission, right? And she already spent $15 on snacks. So the question is, how many times can she spend 65 cents? Or I'd write 0.65 times x. X would be the number of times, right, she plays that game. Number of times she plays, right, the game. We don't know what game it is. So here, this is the inequality that we can set up, and now we just solve it. So 15 and 20, well, that's 35. Right? We're going to scroll down here. It's less than or equal to 45, and that's 35 plus 0.65x. And so now we're going to subtract 35 from both sides. Right, 35 minus 35 is 0, 45 minus 35 is 10, and 0.65x is less than or equal to 10. So here, right, how do we solve for x? Well, we divide by 0.65 on both sides, 0.65, and x has to be less than or equal to 10 divided by 0.65. So 10 divided by 0.65 is 15.3846, or say x has to be, well, 15, let's go back to that number, sorry. This number right here, right, that is the number, value for x that would equal the amount she could spend, 15 let's say 4, we'll round it. Well, what do they want in this problem, right? Because you can't play 15.4 games. We don't know the maximum number of times she can play the game. So here, right, this could be our answer so far, but I would say she could play 15 times, right? I think the answer is x equals 15, right? Because she can't go play 16 games, that would bring her over her budget, and you can't really play 15.4 games, right? So here the answer is just 15. Thanks.